You're with me, Nafisa Nawal. Now the details. Dhaka Medical College Hospital Authority has said 5, including Dakshu VP Nuru, is out of danger. On the other hand, life support of Tuhin Farabi has been removed after the improvement. DB Police nabbed 2, including the General Secretary of Mukti Jodha Moncho, Al Mamoon, over the incident. Physicians said Farabi transferred to the neurology ward from ICU in the morning. Meanwhile, a section of DU students gave an ultimatum to arrest the culprits who attacked the Dakshu VP Nuru and his supporters. The agitating students threatened to go for tougher movement if no action is taken against the attackers. League General Secretary Obaidul Qadir has condemned the attack on Dakshu VP Nurul Haq Noor. Qadir, also the Road Transport and Bridges Minister, said this while talking to newsmen at the Secretariat on Monday. Prime Minister said Sheikh Hasina directed to bring the involved to book, added he.
Categorically, we said whoever involved in the incident, punishable steps must be taken if the offenders belong to our party, and administrative actions will also be taken.
Chhatra League has no involvement over the attack on Dakshu VP. Even the organization has also no involvement with Mukti Jodha Moncho. This was stated by Acting General Secretary of Chhatra League, Lekhok Bhattacharya, at the press briefing held in Modhur Canteen.
Chhatra League is not involved with the incident. Chaos created between Noor and his outsider friend locked into clash with Mukti Jodha Moncho. We will take initiative to maintain discipline at the campus.
League Advisory Committee member Tufal Ahmed has felt embarrassed over the present student politics in Dhaka University. He said this after placing wreath at the grave of League leader Abdul Razak, marking his 8th death anniversary. Later, he said the party will choose winnable candidate for Dhaka city polls.
Those who are elected as the VP Daksu, they should talk carefully. Everyone in the committee, including VP and secretary, need to work unitedly for the betterment of Daksu. Such type of incident will repeat due to involvements of extreme politics. I am embarrassed for this situation.
At least 49 people have died across the country in the last 50 days due to cold-related illness. An average of 3 patients is being taken to public hospitals each minute across Bangladesh due to different winter-related diseases. A total of 4,254 people have been infected with different cold-related illness, including acute respiratory infection and diarrhea in last 24 hours across the country, says the compilation data released by the Director General of Health Services. Among them, 720 took to treatment for acute respiratory infection, 1,741 for diarrhea, and 1,741 for other diseases that includes jaundice, inflammation in the eye, skin diseases and fever. However, no death has been reported in the last 24 hours. Bone-chilling cold has gripped the country, hampering normal life of people. Today's lowest temperature of the country recorded 10.2 degrees Celsius at Shitakundo in Chattogram. However, Met Office said temperature may rise from today. People living under marginal line are suffering heavily owing to the cold wave sweeping over the country. The number of cold-related patients is being increased at hospitals across the country. People living in the bordering districts of Dinajpur, Panchgor and Nilphamari are experiencing the spell of sudden cold weather for the 6th straight day. The sun was eclipsed by clouds and fog in different parts of the country. Chilly wind from the north continued to cause deep distress to the children and the elderly people. Meteorological Department has said temperature likely to rise in different places of the country from today. The maximum temperature in Dhaka was 14.2 degrees Celsius at 6 a.m. There is a chance of moderate rainfall on December 27th, but it is unlikely to intensify the cold.
There is a chance of rainfall in various parts of the country between December 26 and 27. Then the sky will be cleared and we will get normal temperature of cold at night. But the situation like cold wave will not remain.